Okay guys, we're down here for a walk and Scott just spotted this fellow. So I thought I'd turn the video on and show you this little guy. And we're trying to beat the rain and get a walk in, but we might get wet. So that's a box turtle, isn't it?
I don't know. I think that's one of those river.
A cooter?
Cooter. We can look him up when we get home.
It's pretty big. Oh, he's gonna go in because you're bothering him.
I know.
It's got long nails though, honey. It might be a snapper. Has it got the alligator tail on him?
No, it's not an alligator snapper. Over there.
Alright, we'll leave him alone. He'll come back out.
Look at the fern over here.
I'm gonna go across the walkway.
It's not a spectacular fern, but I think it's interesting how the ferns continue to green up and stay nice down here in this
Wetlands.
wet river bottom down here in this floodplain, where the ferns in the pots on everybody's porch have
Frozen.
and browned up.
Yeah. They've been showing up in the trash.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll come back on if we see something else. Just gonna try to get a little walk in before this storm moves in.
I was surprised to see that turtle.
Okay, we've made it to the river's edge, and the river is up, and it looks very much like chocolate milk. So I won't be walking down on the path down there because a lot of times sections of it'll just break away when the river's up. But we just felt the need to get out in nature a little bit today.
You can really see those the white bark of those sycamores.
Oh, look at the fungus on this log right here. That is really bizarre looking. It's kind of creepy.
What's that sticking up on that rock?
Let me... I don't want to fall and bust my tail. I think that's a blue crane.
One of those big blue herons?
Yeah. See if I can get those trees across that you were talking about.
Yeah, I just think it's neat.
The white bark of the sycamores.
Yeah, when all the trees lose their leaf cover, you can, the white bark of those sycamores just sticks out. Just, it's so stark and white, just right there in front of you.
Alright, I guess we'll walk on and see if we can get a shot of that heron. We thought we'd show you this real quick. There's not much holding this tree up. It's a pretty big tree, but it's hollow halfway through.
Yeah, there's still a little live cambium on this side.
Yeah.
So the tree's still alive.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Morning.
Morning.
It's just amazing, all that little sawdust, all that insect activity inside there.
Yeah.
Lots of life in this decay. Pretty neat.
Yep. Alright, back to our walk. You can see how strong the current is right now going over that, and you can hear it.
It looks like a peaceful river, but there have been several people have drowned in this river.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be on it right now.
That current is deceptive.
See, you can tell right here where the river's gouged a piece out. It's really full. Okay, we finally got up to the bird Scott was pointing out. Let me see if I can. And that is not a blue heron. It is called a cormorant.
Sort of a duck.
With a much longer neck.
Aquatic bird. Well, let's see what else we can get into.
Alright, we're gonna be back. Scott just pointed out some Canadian geese.
Underway.
Let's see if we can walk up that way.
Doing fleet maneuvers.
Fleet maneuvers?
That's right.
That water's, there goes that cormorant flying across. Let's see if we can get up here where I can get a better shot of these geese.
Looking for a meal.
It's going to be hard to get to the bottom of the river today to get their meals. Sorry I'm making y'all ill. Get up here where I can get these geese and almost got them.
Aren't they beautiful?
They really are a beautiful bird.
Look at how this one has it.
Ah!
Got an injured wing.
Oh, poor sweetheart. He's trying to keep up. Oh, he is hurt.
Poor thing. Look at the baby. It just dove under.
Oh, that one with the broken wings having a horrible time. It's like it's injured on the entire side of its body.
I know.
That's sad. Poor thing. Alright. That was sad. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, we're up a little bit farther and we just noticed all these seagulls that have roosted here.
You can really see the fall line along here where all that granite is. And then if you get further down, it just flattens out. It's just a sandy, wide river bottom. Where you reach the edges of coastal plain, Piedmont.
Yep.
I always thought that was cool how that's so visible. You see that difference in geography. A mile or so of water.
Okay, I think we're heading back to the car. Yeah, we're walking back to the car and I thought I'd show you this fungus that looks like pancakes. Looks just like pancakes laying on the log. Just thought y'all might find it interesting. You can see where the river is backing up into this creek some. here. So we figure with today's rain the river will be out of its banks. Time to get back to the car. Just thought I'd let y'all listen for a while. Unfortunately, there's a lot of alarms and things going off in the city, so try to ignore that part of it and listen for the birds. Oh, Scott's going to torment the turtle again. He's like, quit.
Got a good picture of that mug.
Got a video of him.
All right. Well, I'm going to let you alone. I'm done tormenting you for today.
He's like, good.
That's twice you've picked me up.
All right, let's head up to the car. I know, we need to get up to the car. It has started to rain, so it's good we're almost there. Scott's beating up some spider webs because he decided to walk up through the trees instead of staying on the walkway. I think he thought it would be faster than going this way. Oh, we're gonna get wet. Sorry I'm jiggling, but I am walking with this. Oh, we're not the only ones. There's 2 other cars in the parking lot. Oh, one's got a dog sitting in it. Alright, gonna let y'all go. Bye.